Hello! Today we are going to do microneedling with Diamini Derma pen and take a look at my skin condition. I have lots of pimples and some redness. So first, let's apply an eye drop. This eye drop is said to increase the effect of anesthesia. Then we'll apply numbing cream. I use it in the form of a facial mask. After applying it, let's put on a medical glove. After putting on gloves, we first take a needle we are going to use, install it, and the needle I used was 36 needles because this needle is more suitable for beginners to use. What about after installing it? This is what it looks like. Here, you can adjust the length of the needle. After we take off the anesthetic, wipe the iodophore first, sterilize my face, then wipe it again with this normal saline. Let's apply this serum to our face first. Keep the whole face moist. We can take out our Diamini Derma pen and start operating. You can hear it. It has this vibrating sound. You start to operate by tapping.